Holy mother of toothpaste! Holy mother of bleeping fucking toothpaste! Hello, 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 and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey. We are out here on a Sunday afternoon. It's around 11 o'clock. It's about 85 degrees, but we're gonna get what we can get, and we're starting the day off with a Shipt order. I didn't get a screenshot because I suck. Wait, are we starting the day with a Shipt order? I hit the button. I hit the button and it's still saying, did I get it? Okay, I guess we didn't get it. So I don't know what we're doing. Oh, bollocks. So what happened, because the order got bumped back because nobody accepted it within the window, I thought I was gonna get it for surge pay. But at the exact second I hit start, they withdrew the order on surge pay and they just bumped it back to the next hour. So now it's down $9. I don't want it for 11, I wanted it at 20. So there is a Spark incentive today. It is 5 for 34 or 7 for 50. Given how Spark has been for me lately, I feel like both of those are unattainable, but it is on the radar. But I will let you know what I get when I get it, if I get it at all. All right, we're doing something a little off the cusp here on Cruisin' with Corey. We're taking an Instacart, and we're taking a low-paying Instacart. So here's my logic to prove that I'm not completely insane in the membrane. I'm just sitting here doing nothing. There's $4 boost pay on this order because of an incentive, as you can see. So normally this order would suck. But seeing as it's Aldi, 20 items, 19 items, and Aldi is literally like 4 minutes of shopping time. I know the store like the back of my hand. More importantly, I have in my little change cubby here, I do have a quarter, a disgusting quarter, but I do have a quarter. So I mean, this will be a $20 order for 15 bucks, and it puts me in the Instacart algorithms. Not really, because I'm never going to be one of those peoples. But either way, let's go to Aldi and go get it. All right, that order is dropped off. So next, we are going to take that Shipt order that we started the video off with. $18, 7 items, going roughly, I'd say 3 miles from Target. It is there now. There's a bunch of other Shipt orders on my screen now. 30 bucks for 38 items, and they're all baby clothes. 17 for 12 is a 64 item one. So I don't like taking big orders for Shipt at Target because our Target's not organized and clothes are terrible to shop for. So we're gonna go scoot to Target, 18 bucks. Even if it doesn't tip, it's still a good paying order, and we're not getting anything else. So not much else to fight for right now. So let's go. All right, we dropped that one off, and in dropping it off, I noticed that the package of toilet paper was partially open and a roll fell out. It was the only roll, it was the only package they had, and I didn't notice it. So probably losing my tip on that, partially my fault. So can't blame anyone except myself, should have paid more attention. But that puts us at about 33 bucks in an hour and a half. Again, Sundays have just changed, man. Like, they used to be bopping all day, but absolutely nothing going on. So, or you just logged into Doordash for lunch. It's 12:15. Let's see what happens, but so far not optimistic. All right, on our way back to the Walmart area. We just got ourselves a Papagino's pizza order, $7.50 for 2.5. It's been a long time since I've been to Papagino's, so I don't know, nice little change of pace here. Maybe it'll go up, maybe it won't. Let's see what the order is. It's 2 pizzas, so it probably will stay as it is, which is fine. It's not asking much out of me. So let's go get it. Only about a minute or two away. All right, so a couple updates. We were just worried about losing our Shipt tip, but in fact, we got quite the delicious tip. Bruh. I don't know why I used that word. Quite a good tip. We got $18 Insta tip, so that proves to me a couple things. That you don't have to wait 2 hours on Shipt anymore. Can't even button my pants anymore. I'm getting too fat. You don't have to wait 2 hours. If they confirm it immediately, it'll tell you immediately. So that's a good little snippet of information. And also, I'm sure everyone has gotten this email saying, hey, do 3 orders this weekend and get a hot bag, a premium new hot bag. So I have since eclipsed that. I've done 1 today. I did like 4 yesterday that I didn't record. So we'll have to do a special unboxing when we get our new bag. It looks a lot like the Uber Eats bag that I do have that I never use, that's buried in my trunk. Like a rectangular bag, so I think it'll actually be a lot better. But I have to go pause things for about 10 minutes, and my wife is at the store and forgot her credit card, debit card. So we have to go and drop her off a credit card so she can buy our family some stuff, and then we shall trek on. All right, back after my little hiatus, I had to drop off the card to my wife at BJ's so she could finish shopping. It's about 1 o'clock now, so we're gonna kind of get ready for our afternoon break, which means we're gonna try to head home and then scoop something up for dinner. So our plan right now is there's 2 Shipt orders on the screen. One of them is local, one of them is farther away. Neither of them have surged yet, but I don't feel like sitting in the parking lot waiting, so I'm just gonna take them as they are. One of them is local, one of them is heading south, which gives me 2 opportunities. It'll put me near the Shaws that I get all my mega surges at, or just really good orders, because not a lot of people work at the Shaws area down south because there's not enough there to constitute camping there. So it'll put us closer to there, but also closer to going home. And it'll put us near the century mark, especially after we've already gotten that tip. And these are what I'm looking at right now. I got 20 bucks for 16 items, mainly grocery. And then this is all pool, like day at the pool stuff. So we're just gonna accept both of these now. Claim, 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 and then claim, claim, dismiss. So they're both ours. 2 to 3, not worried at all about timing on it. If anything, we'll probably be early, so we'll message the customers. Shipt is really picky about that. They like you not delivering early. They like you hitting the windows. But just given the fact that it's pool stuff, I'm assuming they're gonna want it earlier rather than later. So yeah, we're just gonna go get it done. We're already here. Let's go. Little interjection, that order took way longer and I spent way too much time on the small order. Pool floats, any seasonal items are always a pain. We all know that, whether it's Mother's Day gifts, Father's Day gifts, Christmas presents, back to school stuff. And the summertime, it is pool floats and anything outdoorsy. Pain in the butt to find. They didn't have the pool floats she wanted, and they were the special lounging float that there really wasn't an equivalent for. So I'm messaging her like repeatedly. I'm not starting the second order till I finish the first one, and she didn't respond. So then I started the second order, and eventually I got to the point where, you know, I was back to that aisle and I just picked 2 things and I said, hope it's okay. You wanted a lounge float. This is the closest to a lounge float that I can find. Hope it's okay. You ordered something, you should know that it's coming. You should know because you're getting text messages. When you do Shipt orders, you are getting SMS messages when you use Target. If someone orders from a grocery store or CVS or something from the Shipt app, it's in messaging, in-app messaging. But either way, first order, the small one is 1.5 miles up the road. It was only $10. The second order is a very expensive order. And the lady was responsive and is very happy with my service and my communication. Told her I had a cold bag for her stuff because it's about a 10-mile drive, so never to set expectations, but I think we're gonna make money off of that one. So either way, let's go drop these off and finish things up. All right, that just dropped that one off. We're down here in the south end now. But for video wise, we're gonna call it. You probably have noticed if you've watched a few of my last videos that I am gravitating towards the Shipt app. I talked in the beginning of this video about Walmart having an incentive today. I don't recall even getting a single offer, and I was checking it because 7 for $50 would have been great. I wouldn't have mind staying out all day for that, but I'm not literally staying out all day from 10 to 10 waiting for that. I was able to make about $100 in about 3 hours, 2.5 hours. No, not 2.5. About 3.5 hours, I made $100, and that's assuming I don't get a tip on this. But I'll put my numbers up right here. This is as of right now. Maybe there'll be more, but that's what we got for now, and I'm satisfied enough with that. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. We're growing this slowly, but we're having fun doing it, and let's see if we can bring some more friends along for the ride. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out. Bonus footage. Look at this. Holy mother of toothpaste. Holy mother of bleeping fucking toothpaste. $69 tip on that Shipt order.
Half court of the buzzer. Bang!
Wow. Anyways, updated numbers here. I'm gonna go party. Best tip I have ever gotten. Cruisin' with Corey out.